If you're building a PC and want a case that looks really clean, I've been really impressed with the Thermaltake View 270. I got it in hydrangea blue because the color caught my eye. I love the soft blue, but it does come in other colors. It just has this really clean modern look that fits into just about any setup. I love the dual tempered glass design on the front and the side. It gives you a nice panoramic view of your build, which is great if you're putting time and money into choosing components you actually want to see. Even before adding any hardware, the case already looks sharp. It also comes with three 120mm ARGB fans pre-installed, which is always nice because that's one less thing you have to buy separately. The lighting adds a subtle glow and really helps show off the inside of the build. As far as building goes, there's plenty of room to work with. It supports up to an e-atx motherboard, large graphic cards, tall air coolers, and even up to a 360mm radiator if you're planning a high performance setup. The top mounted ports are easy to reach too, with USB ports, USB-C, and audio connections right where you need them. Overall, it's a case that really balances looks and functionality really well, and it has plenty of room for future upgrades.